Children, today we are solving some special equations with with a special method. What is special in these equations? These two are the linear equations in two variables. And what is the speciality? If you see, the coefficient of x and coefficient of y both are of same value. In the same manner, coefficient of y and coefficient of x also is of the same value. So such kind of equations are solved by special method. They are the linear equations in two variables. They are the linear equations in two variables can be solved by add first, then subtract, then add. First we have to add both the equations, then we have to subtract both the equations, and then again what the answers will get, we have to add them. So let us see how to be done. Step 1. First of all, take both the equations. 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. So we are adding first, addition first. So add. Alright, addition will not change the signs, so directly 9 10 16 1 5 4 9 1 10 106 x minus same thing 106 y is equal to 7 5 12 2 1 3 1 424. Now if you see, you can take 106 common and you are left with x minus y is equal to 424. Hence x minus y is equal to 424 upon 106. So 106, how many times is 424? Let us see. If we are multiplying it with 4, 4 6 are 24 and 4 1s are 4. So once and 4 times x minus y is equal to 4. This is the first equation what we got. Now step 2, in the same manner, but we have to subtract. So take both the equations one under the other. 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. Similar manner, 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. Because you are subtracting, children, the signs will change. That is, positive becomes negative and negative becomes positive. Here also the positive becomes negative. So the smaller number minus the bigger number. So you will get the answer in negative again. And it is 8x. 49 minus 57 is 8. So here also you will get a negative 8y, because bigger number is having a minus sign and smaller number became positive. We are subtracting, children, that's why the sign changed. Alright, is equal to minus 8 again, because the bigger number has become negative, so answer will be negative. So take minus 8 common, you are left with x plus y is equal to minus 8. Hence x plus y is equal to the minus 8 upon this minus 8 goes to the other side and will be in the denominator. You are going to get 1. Hence x plus y is equal to 1. Children, this is the second equation what you got. Now what is the third step, children? What is the third step? You have to add. Now here what you are going to add? Addition of equation 1 and equation 2. What the equation 1 you got? You got x minus y is equal to 4, that is equation 1, and x plus y is equal to 1, that is equation 2 what you got. So in step 3 we are going to subtract the both equations. Alright, so subtraction will change the signs again. This positive becomes negative, the positive becomes negative, and the positive becomes negative, that is minus x, minus y, and minus 1. So positive x and minus x will get cancelled. Minus y and minus y. Children, this is no digit is given over here. No coefficient is being shown. Means always it is 1. So minus 1 gives you minus 2y as it is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3 upon minus 2. Now you got the value of y, substitute in any one of the equations and get the value of x. So substitute y is equal to minus 3 upon 2 in equation 1. So x minus y is equal to 4. X minus of minus 3 upon 2 is equal to 4. So x plus 3 upon 2 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 minus 3 upon 2. Hence x is equal to, children, take the LCM 2. So this is now number means 1. 1 into 2 is 2. So 2 ones are 2. 4 into 2 means cross multiply, children. Cross multiply. Minus 3 into 1. See, 4 into 2 minus 3 into 1. That gives you x is equal to 6 minus 3 upon 2. It is 4 2s are 8, children, not 6. 8 it is, 8 minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to 5 upon 2. Hence, what the answer you got, children? See, the answer you got it as the solution of the equations is first x, then y. You will get it as 5 upon 2 and minus 3 upon 2. Fine, children. Now let us go to the next question of such kind. See, all the questions can be done in the same manner. Here also you got two equations. 15x plus 17y is equal to 21. 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. The same method, add first, then subtract, and then add again. Let us start, children. Step 1, addition first. Write one under the other. 15x plus 17y is equal to 21. 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. Okay. Addition will give you 7 plus 5 is 12, 2 and 1. 32x plus 32y is equal to 1 plus 1 2 and 2 plus 1 3. 32. Take 32 common. X plus y is equal to 32. 32 is being multiplied over here. Take it to the other side. Becomes division. So you got your equation as x plus y is equal to 1. How did you get 1, children? 32 ones, 32 ones. This is the first equation what you got. Now do the step 2. Step 2 in the same manner. What you have to do is, first you had done addition, now you have to subtract. So again write the equations, one under the other, is equal to 21. 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. You are going to subtract, children. The second step is to subtract. So subtraction will change the signs. Here the smaller number minus the bigger number. So answer will be negative. Minus 2x. Here the bigger number minus the smaller number. So plus 2y is equal to, again the bigger number minus the smaller number. So answer will be in positive. Children, here let us take minus 2 common, so that x will become positive. When you take minus common, x will become positive and y becomes negative, so that it will be comfortable for us to have a positive x. That's all, children, nothing else. So 2 upon minus 2, hence x minus y is equal to minus 1. Alright, this is equation 2. Children, you got two equations. C, x plus y is equal to 1 and x minus y is equal to minus 1. What is the third step? Now you have to add. So let us add equation 1 and 2. That is, add equations 1 and 2 is the step 3. So what are the equations? 1, x plus y is equal to 1, and equation 2 is x minus y is equal to 1. So write one under the other. X plus y is equal to 1, x minus y is equal to minus 1. Add them, children. No change of signs. So positive y and minus y will get cancelled. So you are left with x plus x, 2x is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore x is equal to 0 upon 2. That gives you x is equal to 0. Now let us substitute the value of x in any one of the equations. So I am substituting in equation 1. And what was the equation 1? That is, x plus y is equal to 1, 0 plus y is equal to 1. Hence, anything when you add in with 0, you will get the same answer. So y is equal to 1. The solution of the equations is, the solution of the equations is, first x then y will give you, here x you have got 0, so 0 and 1. Did you understand, children? Now let us go and see one more question of the similar kind, children. One more question of the similar kind. Check once. This is 64m minus 45n is equal to 289. 45m minus 64n is equal to 365. Same manner, see 64, 64, 45, 45. The special method, add, subtract and add. First step to add. So step 1, take addition for the both equations. Write them one under the other is equal to 289, and under that 45m minus 64n is equal to 365. First step to add, therefore addition, and addition will not change the signs. So let us see what we are getting. 109 m minus 109 n is equal to, it is 14 1 8 plus 6 14 plus 1 15 5 1 3 4 5 1 6 654. Okay, now you can even do in such a manner as divide throughout by 109. Even this can be done, children. If you divide throughout by 109, here only m will be left, here only n will be left, and the right hand side you will get a value. Let us see what we are getting. Upon throughout means each and every term has to be divided by 109, children. Why we are dividing with 109 only? 109, because we want to, it is a common, children, in both the cases. We want to remove it. So we are left with m minus n is equal to, now 109 how many times? Is it 6 times? 6 9s are 54 and 6 1s are 6. So 6 times you get your first equation. Alright, now let us go to the next step. Next step is subtract. So step 2 subtraction will give us, write the equations one under the other and let us subtract them as the subtraction changes the signs. So this positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive, again positive becomes negative. So you will get it as 19m, it is positive because the bigger number is positive, minus 19n, children, because here again it will be plus because the bigger number is positive again, so we will get plus. And here the bigger number is negative, the smaller number is positive, so we will get a minus sign over here. And the subtraction will give you 365 minus 289 has to be done as, so the rough work has to be done to the right hand side always. The rough work to be done to the right hand side always. So let us see the subtraction. Borrow, you are left with 15 minus 9 is 6. Again borrow, so 15 minus 8 is 7, so 76. Now take 19, children, divide throughout by 19, divide throughout by 19. What do you get? See, m plus n is equal to minus 76 upon 19. When you divide 19 by 19, you will be left with 1. 19 by 19 again will be left with 1. So minus 76 upon 19. Is it 4 times? Just check once. It is with 19 4 times. 3 4 ones are 4 5 6 7. So 19 ones are and 19 4 times. That gives you m plus n is equal to minus 4. This is the second equation what you have got, children. So now the third step, add again. What you have to add? Equation 1 and equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. So step 3. What is step 3? Add equations 1 and let us check what are the equations 1 and 2. M minus n is equal to 6 and m plus n is equal to minus 4. M minus n is equal to 6. M plus n is equal to minus 4. Addition will not change the signs. Minus n plus n will get cancelled. M plus n is equal to 2m is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. Therefore, m is equal to 2 upon 2. Hence, m is equal to 1. So, now substitute the value of m is equal to 1 in equation 1. So what do you get, children? M minus n is equal to 6. Hence 1 minus n is equal to 6, or 1 minus 6 is equal to n. So what do you get? Minus 5 is equal to n. Rearrange it in a proper manner. N is equal to minus 5. So what is the solution of these equations? The solution of the equations is first m, then n, that is m you got as 1, children. Alright, so 1 and minus